All right, everybody, now that we've created a new project, you can see that that Holiday Inn project is up there on the top of the My Projects page, along with the associated address. So the first thing we're going to do is hit that Holiday Inn project, and it's going to bring us into the project. So this is we're now inside of Holiday Inn. We have now created this, so we're going to add pieces of equipment. So you can see that this is a blank canvas right now. We don't have anything in this project. We have to start somewhere. So the very first thing we're going to do is hit this plus button up top. So when you hit that plus button, it's going to bring up all of the pieces of equipment that are inside of Conduit. Now this includes generators, utility connections, meters, and DC-AC inverters as power sources. Then we've got distribution equipment like switchboards, panels, transfer switches, transformers, junction boxes, and disconnects. And then we've got loads down there at the bottom, which is a VFD, we've got a motor, an EV charger, and then just a generic load. So just a load that you can associate an amperage rating with, and it's just going to be out there, and you can also name it whatever it may be. That may be a lighting load or a heater load or something like that that's not in Conduit right now. So the first thing that we want to do, though, is add a utility connection. So when we tap on one of these power sources or any of these pieces of equipment, it's going to immediately bring up that equipment's questionnaire. So the first thing we want to do is hit utility connection. It's going to say, where is the utility connection? So it's a utility connection location. We can say that it is on the west side. It may bring up some suggestions for you. The service provider, let's say the service provider is Duke Energy. And then the phase wire distribution. So most services are going to be, if it's a commercial service, it's going to be 3-phase, 4-wire, and that is related to a certain set of standard voltages that are 3-phase, 4-wire, mostly delivered by utilities. Now, if you run into a voltage that is not in this set, you can just let us know at support@conduit.io, and we'll add it in just a couple of days for you. But right here, these should be most of the ones you're going to run into. We'll say it's 277 480 volt Y. And we add this utility connection, and it's going to start building our single line diagram already. So this is what this looks like out here. This is the project page here, and you can move things around and like look at different places in the single line diagram, but this is where the single line diagram lives. So we've added utility connection now. Next we'll go add a couple more pieces of equipment, but I'm going to stop the video there.